In this video, we are going to discuss about TCS Ninja interview experience of the CSE department, which was held on 1st October. Agenda. In this video, you will be seeing one interview experience and I will be giving some bonus tips to achieve the interview. First, let me see the TR questions. The first question is self intro, your project, about project, from where you get the idea of this project. Tell me about what is pandas and what is numpy in Python. What is meant by data frame and pandas series? Use of double star operator in Python. What is SDLC, software development lifecycle? Types of joins in SQL. In TR questions, most of the questions were asked from Python because the person have mentioned Python as the favorite programming language in the resume or as a skill in the resume. For example, if you have mentioned Java as the skill in your resume, then most of the questions will be thrown from Java. So you want to prepare based on the skills that you have mentioned in your resume. If you have mentioned Java, C++, then most of the questions will be thrown from those programming languages. That's it. That's how the ETR questions will be asked. Now let me discuss the MR questions, which is a managerial round questions. You are in a project which have to submit in 2 days, but suddenly you got fever. What you will do? This is a scenario based questions. Most of the time in MR round, these type of scenario or a situation based questions will be asked, and you want to answer the question smartly. This the second scenario based question is, how will you distribute the work to the team members as a team leader? For this question, let me give my answer. How I can able to give the answer for this question? Let me see. I'll be answering like, for experienced candidates, the complex work will be given. For freshers, uh, the work which is related to basics will be given to the freshers. Before that, uh, let's take an example. If the project is working on Android project, the person, the first person know the Android very well, and the other person know the database very well. The other person knows the API calls very well. So I'll be giving the work based on the skills of the person. That's how I will be distribute the work to the team members as a team leader. That's how I will be answering to this question. If you have your own answer, you can able to answer for this question. Then next, a third question: where do you see yourself after 3 years? For this, you have to mention you have to mention like, you do not mention like, I'll be a CEO of TCS. Don't mention like that. You can also mention like, I'll be in a complex project where I'll be excited to learn new things, like that you can mention. Or else you can mention like, I'll be working as a team leader, or I'll be working as a technical lead in the project team, like that you can mention. These are some of the safer side answers for this question. Ready to relocation, this is another question. Now let me see the HR questions. In most of the rounds, HR questions will be nearly 80% of the questions will be related to your personal thing and your hobbies, your strength and weaknesses, your family background, your marks, your hobbies, your sports, like that. So you don't want to worry about that. But sometimes if a HR know the technical, have the technical knowledge very well, sometimes you'll be getting technical questions in HR round too. So prepare based on those things, based on those scenarios. The first question is family information. The next is asked about experience of round one exam. Then the third question is relocation, where you are from, what sports do you play, do you have any queries. The last question, do you have any queries, is an important question. You don't have to respond like so I don't have any queries like that. You have to ask some of the questions to the interviewer related to technologies that are used in TCS or the projects that are used in TCS. For example, if you are interested in machine learning, then you can ask to the interviewer like, sir, any projects that are going on in TCS company related to machine learning and artificial intelligence, like that you can ask. And also you can ask like other things like what are the programming languages mostly used in the project, so that they can able to prepare before joining the company. Like that you can mention, um, like that you can ask queries to the interviewer. But don't ask like what is my score in the interview, whether I will be selected or not, or don't ask a phone number or any contact information of the interviewer from the interviewer, because it will create a negative image or negative perspective on you. So there may be chances of reducing your marks too, so don't ask those questions. If you want to connect, or if you want to speak to the interviewer, just note the names of the interviewer. When you are attending the Microsoft Teams, they will be having the names of the interviewer. If there are three members, then note those three members name. And you can go to Google and search in LinkedIn, then just connect it and you can speak to the interviewers about whether you are uh, but you have to wait for 1 month. After results you can able to speak to the interviewer, like to those people. But it is not recommended to ask those things like contact information or other things related to your results, those things, because it will create a negative impression on you. That's it. Now let me discuss some of the bonus tips used to crack the interview. The first tip is, if you don't know any answers for the question that asked by the interviewer, don't worry, because no one is perfect, no one is 100% knowledge in any skills. I'll be giving tips to how you can handle this situation. Like if you don't have answers for the question, just say, sir, I don't know about this concept, let me look in, I will be excited to learn this new concept, like that you can mention. The second tip is, for theory answers you should explain it with application. For example, let's take an example of Python, where you will be using like indexes, sorry, arrays, like, right? Arrays is a container which will be storing values. For this thing, you can mention like, so I will be storing the arrays will be which is in memory variable, which will be in memory data type, which will be used to store the values while doing our project. For example, if you want to store any cookie values, or if you want to know store any token values, we can able to use the arrays to store those values for in-memory purpose, like that you can mention. Then third tip is speak polite and confident. Fourth tip is prepare in your domain side too. For fourth tip, you don't want to prepare, I think so, because you are from CSC department, right? You already know some of the basic things, so you can able to easily handle the situations. Most questions will be from your resume. This is another important bonus tip. Then the sixth tip is, if you know C++, Java, Python, learn OOPS concept. Fourth tip is, prepare your projects well, that you have mentioned in your resume. That's it. These are the bonus tips which will be used to crack the interview. All the best. Be confident while answering. If you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram channel. I'll be giving the Telegram link in the description box. Make use of it. All the best for your entry process. If you are selected, then please mention in the comment section, and also you can able to share your experience in the comment section. So if other peoples are coming to view the comments, then they will be get benefited and they will be easily cracking the interviews, so you can help others too. So please use the comment section to answer, to give the interview experience and also to ask questions, and also you can able to tell whether you are selected in interview or not, like that. All the best for your interview process.